Hey guys, it's Katie with JLT Performance, and today we're going to be installing a cold air intake on the 2011 and up 5.7 Hemi. So let's get started. All you're going to need is a 5/16 nut driver, an 8mm socket, and a 10mm socket. First, you're going to remove the engine cover by lifting up and pulling out. So the next few things you're going to do is you're going to loosen this hose clamp, disconnect the Iat sensor, disconnect this line, and then remove this bolt. On the 2020 and up, you'll have a quick connect fitting on this line, so you'll just squeeze and pull out, and then you're going to want to use the JLT provided hose that's labeled 2020. Now you can remove the stock intake from the vehicle. You're going to reuse two things from the stock air box. You're going to remove the Iat sensor and this grommet. Reinstall the rubber grommet back into the hole on the body. Next, you're going to remove these two bolts that are securing the coolant tank to the vehicle, and then you're going to move it back a little bit just to give yourself a little bit more room. Now you can install the JLT airbox into the vehicle. Install the Iat sensor into the JLT tube. Install the S&B filter onto the JLT intake tube, and then tighten down the hose clamp. Loosely install the elbow onto the tube. Install the JLT intake tube onto the throttle body and into the airbox. Reinstall the bolt that you had removed earlier. Tighten down both these hose clamps. Reinstall the bolts that you removed earlier to secure the coolant tank. Next, you're going to take your PCV connection that comes with the kit, and you're going to install it into this line and then onto the tube. For the 2020 and up, make sure you're pulling from this bag because you're going to use this adapter that has a reducer. Reconnect the Iat sensor. So just make sure that the engine cover is seated in the prongs, and then that's it. If you have any questions or you want to know more, you can always check it out on our website, or you can give us a call, and I'll see you next time.